SLBC. There's nothing like meeting face-to-face.
And there's nothing like Zoom to make that happen. Zoom lets you connect and do business across town or around the world. Zoom ties together all of your communication needs
into one easy platform for video conferencing, phone calls, group chat, webinars, and your conference. From anywhere, your mobile phone, your laptop, or conference room. Zoom is how business gets done. Get your free account at zoom.com today. Meet happy with Zoom.
Raise your game for less with a Mercedes-Benz Vito. Now available with 3 trims, pure, progressive and premium. So it's easier than ever to get the features and functionality your business needs. And with unlimited deals across the range, it's more affordable.
Money here at Goodman Bank, we believe you shouldn't have to make much to get the compensation you deserve. In fact, on average, our teams are settling just 7 now. You don't need a claims management company to make a complaint, and if unsuccessful, you can refer it free to the Financial Ombudsman.
Here's the thing, how can BT Superfast find it? Simple. When we do Black Friday, we do it properly. $24.99 a month for 24 months, with a $19.99 setup fee. It's our lowest ever fibre price. Less than you'd expect for broadband this year. Offer ends 7th of December. Search BT Broadband.
CPI increases March starts in 2020. New customers was $29.99 per month over 24 months, $37.99 per month, 25 terms apply.